Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Hope everyone is fine. Last time I teach you the lesson number 4, which was Hurufi Muqatti'at, and I hope you will understand all the letters carefully. Now today we're gonna learn the lesson number 5, which is the name, the movements. There are three kinds of movements. One is fatha, which is always above a letter and it's a slight dash. And second is kasra, which is always below a letter and it is same like dash, or we can say alif. And the last letter is last movement is dhamma, which is little bit similar to wow shape and it is always above a letter. So in this lecture we will learn the word with this symbol. We will make the sound with these symbols, and remember, if there is kasra, fatha and dhamma on a letter, the letter will not be prolonged and we cannot read it with a jerk. So one more thing I need to tell you, that when there is fatha on a letter, the fatha sound is a, or it's a sound. In English, we when we make sound, we read consonant letters like a, e, I, o, u. But in Arabic, we have when we make the sound, we make movement, three movement, and it is fatha, kasra, and dhamma. So when there is fatha, then the sound will be a. When there is kasra, then the sound will be e, and when there is dhamma, then the sound will be u. So when we read each letter with fatha, kasra, and dhamma, then we will change the sound a, e, u, like, okay. So these are the first letter with different movements. Alif has different movement. First is alif. Alif has fatha. This is the first letter. Alif has fatha on it. So first we will read this letter. Alif fatha or hamza fatha a. Hamza fatha a. Alif fatha ha a. Alif fatha a. The sound is a. Next is alif has kasra. Kasra is the below the letter. So now we will make the sound of kasra. Alif kasra e. Alif kasra e. Don't prolong the letter and neither stop with the jerk. Alif kasra e. A, e. Now alif has dhamma. Alif dhamma u. Alif dhamma u. Alif dhamma u. Now we will read from the first to third. A, e, u. Okay. Next letter. Ha with fatha. Ha. Ha fatha. Ha. Ha fatha. Ha. Ha kasra. He. Ha kasra. He. Ha kasra. He. Ha dhamma hu. Ha dhamma hu. Ha dhamma hu. Ha, he, hu. Okay, next page. First letter is ain. Ain has fatha. Ain fatha a. Ain fatha a. Ain fatha a. Ain kasra ri. Ain kasra ri. Ain kasra ri. Ain dhamma u. Ain dhamma u. Ain dhamma u. A, ri, u. Next is ha fatha ha. Ha fatha ha. Ha fatha ha. हा कसरा ही, हा कसरा ही, हा कसरा ही, हा ही, हा दुम्मा हु, हा दुम्मा हु, हा दुम्मा हु, हा ही हु. Okay, the next letter is Ghain. Ghain has fatha, Ghain fatha gha, Ghain fatha gha, Ghain fatha gha. Next is Ghain has kasra, Ghain kasra ghui, Ghain kasra ghui, Ghain kasra ghui. Ghain dhamma ghu, Ghain dhamma ghu, Ghain dhamma ghu, gha ghui ghu. Next is kha fatha kha, kha fatha kha, kha fatha kha, kha kasra khi, kha kasra khi, kha kasra khi. Kha dhamma khu, kha dhamma khu, kha dhamma khu. Kha khi khu. Next line. Qaf fatha qa, Qaf kasra qui, Qaf dhamma ku, qa qui ku. Kaf fatha ka, Kaf kasra ki, Kaf dhamma ku, ka ki ku. Next line. Jim fatha ja, Jim kasra ji, Jim dhamma ju, ja ji ju. Shin fatha sha, Shin kasra shi, Shin dhamma shu, sha shi shu. Ya fatha ya, Ya kasra yi, Ya dhamma yu, ya yi yu, ya yi yu. Dad fatha dha, Dad fatha dha, Dad kasra zi, Dad dhamma zu, dha zi zu. Next line. Lam fatha la, Lam kasra li, Lam dhamma lu, la li lu. Nun fatha na, Nun kasra ni, Nun dhamma nu, na ni nu. Ra fatha ra. When there is fatha on ra, ra will be read like a bold letter ra. But when there is kasra on ra, then ra sound will be changed. Ra kasra ri, Ra kasra ri, Ra kasra ri. Ra dhamma ru. When there is dhamma on ra, ra also will recite as a bold letter. Ra dhamma ru. You have to remember, when there is fatha or dhamma on ra, then ra will be read like a bold letter, and when there is kasra on ra, then ra will be read like a light letter. Ra ri ru. To fatha to, to kasra tui, त्व दम्मा तू, त्व तुई तू। दाल फतहा दा, दाल कसरा दी, दाल दम्मा दू, दा दी दू। ता फतहा ता, ता कसरा ती, ता दम्मा तू, ता ती तू। स्वाद फतहा स्वाद, स्वाद फतहा सो, स्वाद कसरा सुई, स्वाद दम्मा सू, सो सुई सू। All the bold letters with fatha, kasra and dhamma will be recited as a bold letter, but only ra is the bold letter which is recited as a light letter when there is kasra. Sin fatha sa, sin kasra si, sin dhamma su, sa si su। ज़ा फतहा ज़ा, ज़ा कसरा ज़ी, ज़ा दम्मा ज़ू, ज़ा ज़ी ज़ू। ज़ो फतहा ज़ो, ज़ो कसरा ज़ी, ज़ो दम्मा ज़ू, ज़ो ज़ी ज़ू। First we will practice this page again, then we will continue the next page. Maybe today or tomorrow, because I think the short lesson is good for you to understand and practice. So we are going to start from the first letter. Hamza fatha और alif fatha a, alif kasra i, alif dhamma u, a i u, a i u। First you have to recite with the spelling, then make the sound without spelling. A i u। हा फतहा हा, हा कसरा ही, हा दम्मा हु, हा ही हु, हा ही हु। आइन फतहा आ, आइन कसरा इ, आइन दम्मा उ, आ इ उ, आ इ उ। हा फतहा हा, हा कसरा ही, हा दम्मा हु, हा ही हु, हा ही हु। वाइन फतहा वो, वाइन कसरा वी, वाइन दम्मा वो, वो वी वो, वो वी वो। ख्वा फतहा ख्वा, ख्वा कसरा खुई, ख्वा दम्मा खु, ख्वा खुई खु, ख्वा खुई खु। कॉफ फतहा कौ, कॉफ कसरा कुई, कॉफ दम्मा कु, कौ कुई कु। काफ फतहा का, काफ कसरा की, काफ दम्मा कु, का की कु, का की कु। जीम फतहा जा, जीम कसरा जी, जीम दम्मा जू, जा जी जू, जा जी जू। शीन फतहा शा, शीन कसरा शी, शीन दम्मा शू, शा शी शू, शा शी शू। या फतहा या कसरा यी, या दम्मा यू, या यी यू, या यी यू। ज़ौद फतहा ज़ौ, ज़ौद कसरा ज़ुई, ज़ौद दम्मा ज़ू, ज़ौ ज़ुई ज़ू, ज़ौ ज़ुई ज़ू। लाम फतहा ला, लाम कसरा ली, लाम दम्मा लू, ला ली लू, ला ली लू। नून फतहा ना, नून कसरा नी, नून दम्मा नू, ना नी नू, ना नी नू। रॉ फतहा रॉ, रॉ कसरा री, रॉ दम्मा रू, रॉ री रू, रॉ री रू। तो फतहा तो कसरा तुई तो दुम्मा तू तुई तू दाल फतहा दाल कसरा दी दाल दुम्मा दू दी दू ता फतहा ता कसरा ती ता दुम्मा तू ती तू स्वाद फतहा स्वाद कसरा सुई स्वाद दुम्मा सू सू सीन फतहा सीन कसरा सीन दुम्मा सू सू जा फतहा जा कसरा जा दुम्मा जू ज़ो फतहा ज़ो कसरा ज़ुई ज़ो दुम्मा जू ज़ू So today we have learned the first page of movements, and I hope it would be understandable for you. If you are having any issue in understanding any letter or anything, you can ask from me in comment box. Inshallah, I will try my best to teach you with proper details, and you can send your voice message or of this lecture when you prepare on my Facebook account. Inshallah, I will check and correct your mistakes. So please give your review too. I am trying to help you out. Please give your review. If you like my lecture, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and share with other sisters too who cannot afford the fee and want to learn. Today inshallah I will upload the next surah to my father is reciting Quran Pak. Please share, subscribe and like our videos, and do comments. So your comments are really very important for us. And yes, if anyone want to learn private classes, they can contact me on my given number in the description, or my Facebook account which I have written in description. I charge per hour $8, and I also teach Arabic language or Urdu language too. Who want to learn can contact me, and inshallah I will try my best to provide you good lectures. So keep remember me in your prayers. Inshallah will meet you again from with next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.